Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Mr. Ed. Today I'm gonna talk about what is an aviation maintenance technician and what do we do around the plane. I will use lots of words that we use every day. First, an aviation maintenance technician must have a license for technical qualifications to carry out aircraft maintenance. These technicians inspect and perform or supervise maintenance, repairs, and alteration of aircraft and aircraft systems. In many countries, the aviation technician equivalent is the aircraft maintenance engineer. An aircraft is any device designed to be supported by the air. Airplanes, helicopters, gliders, and balloons are all examples of aircraft. But an aircraft must be in an airworthy condition to fly. Airworthiness includes a legal and physical state. This is the ability of an aircraft or system to be operated in flight and on the ground without any kind of hazard. An airworthy aircraft or component is in condition for safe operation. Now we have the aircraft maintenance, and this is the successful performance of tasks required to ensure the continuing airworthiness of an aircraft or aircraft part, including overhaul, inspection, component replacement, defect rectification, the incorporation of modifications, and compliance with service bulletins, airworthiness directives, and repairs. An approval for return to service is necessary after maintenance was done. This is a document in the aircraft logbook with the signature and certificate number of the person approving the aircraft for return to service. It is a written certification that tells you the aircraft is airworthy and ready to fly. The aircraft logbook is the record in which all data concerning the aircraft is recorded. Information gathered in this book is used to determine the aircraft condition, date of inspections, time on airframe, engines, and propellers. Now we have the different tasks included in maintenance. First, we have inspection. Aircraft inspection is the process of systematically examining, checking, and testing aircraft structural members, components, and systems to detect actual or potential unserviceable conditions. We use a checklist to perform pre-flight inspections as well as 100-hour and annual inspections of aircraft to be sure that no required operation is overlooked. A checklist is a systematic and sequential list of all operations that must be performed to properly accomplish a complex task. Overhaul. This is the maintenance procedure in which a device is disassembled to determine the condition of all its parts. Each part is inspected, and if damaged or excessively worn, it is repaired or replaced. The device is then reassembled and tested, and if it functions as it should, it is returned to service. Aircraft modification. This is a change in the physical characteristics of aircraft, accomplished either by a change in production specifications or by alteration of items already produced. Airworthiness directive. This is a notice sent by the FAA to the owner of an aircraft about the discovery of a condition or deficiency that must be corrected. It must be complied with within the required time limit, and the fact of compliance must be recorded in the aircraft maintenance record. And who is the FAA? The FAA, Federal Aviation Administration, is the agency of the United States Department of Transportation responsible for the regulation and surveillance of civil aviation as well as operation and development of the national airspace system. Its primary mission is to ensure safety in civil aviation. Civil aviation is one of two major categories of flying, representing all non-military aviation, both private and commercial. Service bulletin. This is a document issued by the manufacturer of an aircraft engine or component that describes a service procedure the manufacturer recommends to make the device safer or to improve its service life. Service life is the length of time a piece of equipment can reasonably be expected to operate in a satisfactory manner. We often use diagrams for troubleshooting analysis. A schematic diagram is a diagram in which the system components are represented by symbols rather than drawings or pictures of the actual devices. That's all for today's video. I hope this information can be useful to you. Remember, repetition is key in language learning. Please watch these videos many times as you can. You will kill two birds with one stone. You will learn English and aviation vocabulary. See you next time.